In this video, we demonstrate how to use the Tenant Data Refresh Utility application to copy business data in the production environment for use in a different environment. The Tenant Data Refresh Utility application is designed to replace all business data in a target environment with data from a source environment. Once complete, you cannot recover the data that was originally in the target environment. As a critical best practice, never refresh data into the production environment. Refreshing data in a production environment overwrites live business data and can disrupt operations. A common use case is copying business data from production to a test or development environment. This allows teams to work with real data when building and testing applications. It's also useful for onboarding new employees, giving them access to a realistic sandbox environment where they can learn the system without impacting live data. Before running a data refresh, there are a few important prerequisites to complete. First, ensure metadata is synchronized across environments. This is because the tables in the source environment must also exist in the target environment. Without this alignment, business data cannot be copied successfully. Next, confirm that the target environment is enabled for data refresh. In the Tenant Environment Setup application, select the Allow Tenant Data Refresh checkbox for the non-production environment you plan to refresh. And ensure your user profile includes the Sys Data Refresh admin role. In the following demonstration, we walk through the steps to build a Tenant Data Refresh utility and use the job scheduler to confirm when the data refresh will run. Navigate to the Tenant Data Refresh Utility application and select Create. Next, enter the source environment and the target environment. The system automatically generates the name based on the source and target environments. The Excluded Tables section lists tables that contain environment-specific business data. These tables are not overwritten during a data refresh to preserve how the environment functions. This list cannot be changed. When ready, select Save and Stay. Then select Schedule Tenant Data Refresh. This creates a job that will run during off hours, typically overnight, to limit the impact on end users. You can choose to run the migration immediately in the next step. Make note of the automatically generated name and the scheduled run time. You will need this information to check the job scheduler. The next step is to check when the job will run. Navigate to the Job Scheduler application and open the migration you created. Look in the Next Run field to see when the job will run. This completes the steps to copy business data from one environment to another. In the next video, we demonstrate how to use the Tenant Metadata Refresh Utility application. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. To learn more about this topic, please refer to Next World Help.